Ma'am, what about Pakistani people? Can you please say something about Pakistani?
I just came 2 days ago. I don't have yet an opinion and I can't say anything.
You can't say anything, and you can't say anything about food, about Centaurus Mall.
Came 2 days ago. It's my second visit.
Okay, and what about Pakistani food? And
Oh, Pakistani food's fantastic. Look at the two of you. You're beautiful.
you're beautiful. Thank you so much.
Your cameraman is very handsome, of course. He knows exactly how to do his beard.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम.
Alaikum salam. आप ठीक आप?
आप ठीक हैं?
आप ठीक है?
मैं ठीक हूँ. आप कैसे हैं?
Okay, I'll have to improve my Urdu.
Yeah, you have to.
Yeah, I'm only here 6 weeks, but Aptika is pretty good already.
Oh. So how are you?
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. You are from?
From Ireland.
From Ireland. Okay.
Pakistan.
Yeah, I'm from Pakistan. So how is Pakistan?
It's a very. I was here before for the earthquake in 2005.
Okay.
So that was 15 years ago, and I've just come back now for a longer term, and. It's a very vibrant country. Lots of energy. It's a lot of creativity, and I think if a lot of that was brought together with good administration and management, there would be no stopping Pakistan. The only issue that you may have is that Ireland beat Pakistan in the World Cup. So I hope you will forgive that.
Okay. So what do you do?
What do I do? I work for United Nations here.
Okay. So she's your missus.
Indeed, yes.
So why she's not coming? Why she's not coming? Please request to her that.
No. You never tell the wife what to do. She tells you what to do.
She cannot show her face.
No, she's very shy. No.
बिल्कुल. You're enjoying in Pakistan or Islamabad and.
Well, I'm very happy to be back in Pakistan. It's developed a lot in the time, and we have a lot of work to do. The UN here, we're working very closely with your government, and they're very supportive. So we're doing a lot of work to help the income support for people who are perhaps food insecure. But also we operate in Peshawar, Karachi, Quetta, in AJK Muzaffarabad, and Multan. And of course, obviously, Pakistan is very important for continuing to support our brothers and sisters in Afghanistan in the troubled times they're having at the moment. So that's part of our job.
So what about Centaurus Mall?
I was just saying to the lady in the marketing department there that you could be walking into a mall in Dubai.
Okay.
It's very professional. The same brands are here. It's world class. It's a bit difficult sometimes seeing the comparison to what you see outside with people who may not be able to come in here. That's a bit.
So which is your favorite brand? And you're doing shopping.
I'm not into brands.
No.
I'm not into brands.
Okay. And what about Pakistani food? And
Pakistani food's fantastic.
Fantastic. How?
To taste the spices, the variety.
And what about your food?
Well, I came from Italy, and the Italian food it's very hard to equal Italian food, but Pakistani food in its own way comes close.
Okay. What about Pakistani people? Can you please say something about Pakistani?
I just came 2 days ago. I don't have yet an opinion and I can't say anything.
You can't say anything, and you can't say anything about food, about Centaurus Mall.
Came 2 days ago. It's my second visit.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.